WisperSEO SEO Tool Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to WisperSEO and other useful SEO tools are in the description. Let's delve into what WisperSEO offers, who it's designed for, and whether it aligns with your SEO needs. WisperSEO is an AI-powered platform aimed at enhancing content creation and SEO optimization for professionals seeking efficiency and high-quality outputs. Features. WisperSEO boasts a suite of advanced features designed to streamline SEO workflows. Its AI-driven content generation enables users to produce high-quality content instantly, saving valuable time and effort. The platform's SEO optimization tools analyze search engine results pages SERPs to provide actionable insights, ensuring content is tailored for maximum impact. The integrated keyword research tool aids in identifying relevant keywords, enhancing the effectiveness of SEO strategies. Customization options allow users to align content with their brand's voice and style, ensuring consistency across all platforms. The advanced content editor facilitates easy modifications, enabling users to refine their content to meet specific requirements. Additionally, WisperSEO offers content SERP analysis, WordPress integration for seamless content management, and collaboration tools to enhance team productivity. Who is it for? WisperSEO is ideal for bloggers, marketers, and marketing agencies aiming to enhance their content creation processes and SEO strategies. Its AI-driven insights and user-friendly interface make it accessible to both beginners and seasoned professionals, streamlining workflows and boosting productivity. Strengths. The platform's AI-driven insights provide valuable recommendations for optimizing content, ensuring it resonates with the target audience and ranks well in search engine results. Its efficient content generation capabilities allow users to produce high-quality content rapidly, meeting tight deadlines without compromising quality. Customization options enable users to maintain a consistent brand voice, enhancing brand recognition and audience engagement. Collaboration tools facilitate teamwork, making it easier for teams to work together on content projects. Integration with WordPress simplifies content management, allowing users to manage and optimize their content within the platform seamlessly. Weaknesses. Despite its robust features, WisperSEO has some limitations. The keyword research tool has a limited capacity, allowing only 100 keywords at a time, which may be restrictive for extensive research needs. Additionally, the tool lacks filtering or sorting options for keyword research, potentially making data analysis more cumbersome. The temporary removal of semantic keywords in the Keyword Explorer may limit the depth of keyword analysis. Users may also encounter a steep learning curve when navigating advanced features, requiring additional time to fully leverage the platform's capabilities. Final verdict. WisperSEO presents a comprehensive solution for those seeking to enhance their SEO strategies through AI-powered content creation and optimization. Its array of features caters to various aspects of SEO and content management, making it a valuable tool for professionals aiming to boost productivity and content quality. However, potential users should consider the platform's limitations, particularly concerning keyword research capacities and the learning curve associated with advanced features. Assessing these factors in relation to your specific needs will determine if WisperSEO is the right fit for your SEO endeavors.